Just practicing our social distancing. These sticks look tasty. I'm a little Guggen. I met a little Guggen flat banger. Seen that before out here. Got the job done. What are you doing? Besides making me very nervous. Like I'm gonna get hooked in the face. Maybe the kayak was a better idea. I don't know. Remember that tree right there that I caught so many?
Yeah.
Well, I caught the same fish there 5 times.
We're just moving so fast on my crankbait. I have to crank it so fast.
Alright. Not really.
It doesn't, it floats.
There, I slowed it. I stopped us. We're just at the mercy of the breeze.
Wow, the water temp is holding steady at 55.
Caught several right in here. They're like right off the edge of that grass, kind of. I would either go with the red. Red seems to be a good early color. Wow.
Is that after getting it stuck?
No. Right up there at that concrete. Do you see how hard he was fighting me?
Yeah.
Well, first one. I threw it right at that concrete corner. I let it sink and then slowly retrieve it. And then I pause every couple seconds. Oh, it must be in those weeds. Maybe they follow it out. I don't know. Oh, boom! Man, they're spunky.
Little guys.
Look at that thing.
They're fighting.
Yeah, it's... Oh, he's not that little. That's a good fish. Woo! He's good.
Yeah, that walleye the other day really didn't put up much of a fight, so it was kind of like...
And that is the Guggen Zinger. Guggen half-ounce spinnerbait.
Bottom.
Oh, come on. You want it. Oh, right here. Oh,
What the heck?
oh. Did you see that? He must have been around some like limbs or something.
How do you want to do this?
I want to catch a bigger fish.
Okay.
First, probably. Look at that. Do you want to freaking put a spinner on now, or do you want to use
I have
this?
a spinner.
Do you want to use this?
One more. Rubberine or boat in this area. All freaking...
Reel a little faster. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, I saw him hit it. That was so cool. That was so cool. Oh, I hope that shows up on the camera. I lost him. Did you see that? Look, right here. Do you see my lure? That's where he hit it. That was a good one too. That was amazing. Oop, there we go. Look. Oh, oh yeah. She's got some weight. She's got some weight. She's got some weight. Grab my rod. Keep it tight for me. Oh!
Holy shit.
Get a picture of that one.
Oh my gosh.
Big girl.
That's what this thing is all about.
£4 pounds, 4 ounces. That is a solid fish. Look at that mouth, red lipsies. Woo, buddy. Fat belly. All right, here we go.
Just gonna tip the boat.
Boom. Yeah, just keep casting towards that thing. You'll piss him off and he'll hit it eventually.
Yep.
Told ya. Ooh, good fish. Good fish. Bring him over this side if you can. Get him right. Bring your rod tip over. Keep tension on it. Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Yeah. Okay. Finally.
Hang on. Woo! 3.9. Woo! We noticed that the Guggen spinnerbait is catching all the fish, so we're going to take Mitchell's bait off. He's going to put on a Guggen spinner.
$1 spinnerbait from Walmart.
We think it's the blades maybe that's really making the difference right now. Although it could just be the way that it's the presentation. What are we at like 6 or 7 fish?
I'm at 1, so that's all I've been counting.
I think there's still another one over in this corner. Yep. Got him. Come on. Come on. Got him. Woo! 56-degree water temperature. See? Makes all the difference. Me and your mom are out here. It was still 49, and that was less than a week ago. Yesterday it was 80 degrees and sunny, and that really made a difference. I'm telling, it's when the sun comes out. It's like when the, never mind. Okay, well, that eliminated my hypothesis right there. You buddy. Got him, got him. Big fish, big fish. In the weeds, in the weeds. Okay. Not a giant.
Fish nonetheless. It's 2 on the bluegill.
See, those sticks right out there are usually pretty good.
Fish on.
Yes! I knew it! Get it. Let him out. Alright, land that guy. Woo!
Alright.
Good job. You did it. 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 Somebody's trash. It's like orange pills too. Just throw the orange peel on the ground. Why would you put it in a Walmart bag and then throw the bag on the ground? So they'll never go anywhere? People. So I wonder if, should I try just something else just for fun? Let me just try something, okay? Just get something going here. Got all these lures and might as well use them. Keep buying new crap, never using it. I'm gonna try something that I never fish. Just a good old crack and craw. This little weighted hook. We're gonna finesse this guy into the depths. Try to catch a freaking tank. Where's that little guy? Oh, there's some action. Look. Yes! Yes! Crack and craw!
You're throwing in all the same spots.
Look at that. Crack and craw with that weighted hook. The finesse.
Is that also a Guggen?
Yeah.
We should make them a commercial.
Chunky. What a fatty. That's freaking awesome. Wasn't that awesome? Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, every second of it.
You did? Me too. I wanted to catch this fish that's right in here. That loves crawdads. Like it can't help itself. It's like, ooh, I'm not even hungry, but I just love crawdads so much. The way they just crunch down my esophagus. Hey, fella.
I want to get a ride in Nathan's again.
Oh! Look at my pincher!
Oh.
Yeah.
And we also found out that, like, it would take forever to get everybody out.
Oh! Oh! What? You hit that so close! Yeah, I saw it. I knew it was gonna happen.
Out.
Yeah, and then you just scared him off with your yelling
Well,
shenanigans.
That wasn't my fault.
Yeah. Oh, really?
That was his.
Well, it was a great day on the water. Had fun, caught a lot of bass, got to hang out with my son. It was a great day. So, water's warming up, 56 degrees.
It's getting chilly. Very chilly.
He's getting chilly. And so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on No Coast Angling.